Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Code Complete, the spirit of coding. Today in this video, we are going to create this beautiful seamless repeating pattern, using the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First we will draw this shape shown on artboard, with the help of a pen tool. It is a closed custom shape. Set the fill color to empty, or none, and the stroke color black. Give the stroke a width of 3 points. Also, I have chosen some colors, which we are going to use in our design pattern later in this video. You can choose different color schemes of your choice. Now we need to create a copy of this shape. To create a copy, hold Alt plus Shift and drag it down across the artboard. We need to duplicate the shape again below the second shape. Press Ctrl D, this will copy the second shape, and space it to an exact distance apart. Now select all three shapes, and align them by selecting the horizontal center align option from the Align panel, in Property bar. Next is to apply color to the stroke of all three shapes. Select the first shape, and give the stroke color to blue. Make sure fill of the shape must be none. With the help of eyedropper tool, in toolbar, pick the sky blue color from the first box. Swap fill and stroke, that is, fill to none, and stroke to sky blue color. Similarly repeat the steps with the second and third shape. Select second shape, and with the help of eyedropper tool, pick color from second box, and then swap the color between fill and stroke. One last time, select third shape, and with the help of eyedropper tool, pick the color from third box, and then swap the color between fill and stroke. Select all the three shapes and set stroke to 3 points. As all the three shapes are selected, go to menu bar, then choose Object. Select Blend. Click on Make. You should see the blending appear between all three shapes. Now select the blended shapes, and, again go to Object, Blend, Reverse Front to Back, to reverse the stacking position of blends. Now take the basic shape, bring it to front and resize the shape and adjust it like this. Apply fill color to yellow from fourth box and set stroke to none. Then, send it back. Duplicate the shape. First select the shape with the selection tool and then hold down the Alt plus Shift key. Adjust it, by dragging it, in upward direction. When you reach the spot, first release the mouse, then the keys, change its colors to orange with the help of eyedropper tool. Send it back. I will change its position according to my need. Again 2 more times, I am repeating the steps and creating the duplicate copy. Set it fill to colors and move it to back. Select all the 4 shapes. Go to Object. Select Blend. Click on Make. Now I am going to create the repeat pattern out of this blended design. Before that, select Artwork, and group all the elements of a design. Select Shape. Now go to Menu Bar, choose Object. Select Blend, and click on Expand. Finally, we are going to create repeat objects and manage their styles with a single click. All you need to do is select Design. Choose Object, click on Repeat. Select Grid option and it will auto-generate the complete seamless repeated patterns for you. The object is repeated, in a grid repeat type, with default options. To preview, and set the grid repeat options, select the repeated artwork, then on right side click on Property Panel icon. At the bottom of Property Panel there is a Repeat option section. In Grid Type, select Brick by Row, and deselect other options. Here drag the vertical and horizontal slider to decrease the spacing between elements in the grid as shown here. Overlap the elements like this. Now you can increase or decrease the rows and columns by adjusting handles. Drag the handle on the bottom to add more rows in the repeated artwork, and drag the handle on the right to add more columns. It is done, and we have created a beautiful pattern. I hope you like it. That's all for this video. If you have any query, ask in comment section below. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, and for latest updates, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.